What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Pastor Dre, over at GospelDJDrops.com. And today, I'm going to show you how I make a DJ drop from scratch. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, first thing I do is I record the vocals. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down the track. You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. All right, so we laid down the vocals there. So let's go ahead and play it back. You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit. So I like to double click. I'm in Adobe Audition, by the way. And I like to find the quietest point. Okay, select that. So hit Effects. I go to Noise Reduction. And I select Noise Reduction Process. And then I capture noise point, and then I highlight the whole thing, and that just helps out with a little bit of the noise. As you can see, it brought it down right here. Usually do like the quietest part, but since this tutorial for the sake of time, I just picked this section right here. Had a little bit of noise, but it's all right for now. All right, so let's go ahead and play it back. You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. You are tuned in to the #1. Next thing I like to do is I like to just go ahead and clean this up right here, bring it in, put a little fade on the end so it's not choppy. Let's play it back. You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. I can see it's cutting off the locked, so let's slide over a little bit. Keep it locked. There we go. One more, a little bit more. Keep it locked. All right. Keep it locked. Next thing I like to do is I'll double the track and drop it on my telephone effects track right here. This is my telephone effects. It's already preset. So I like to double it up and then play it from there. You are tuned in to the #1 gospel. Then what I do is I slide it over a little bit by hitting Alt and the full stop. Slide it over right there. You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. So that gives it a nice little chorus effect. Then what I do is I like to go in and maybe add some chops like you. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the front over here and I select the part I want. You. Okay, then I hit Control C. I copy that part and then I Control V. And I just kind of paste it about 2 or 3 times. Let's see what we get. You are tuned. Okay, that's too long. I want it to be faster. So let's do a shorter clip. You. Kind of like that. So let's do the same process, Control C, Control V, another Control V. Let's see what we got. You are tuned. I like it. Let's do another one. So I'm going to put about 3 of them. You are tuned. I like it. Let's play it back. You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. All right, kind of cut off my keep it locked here. So let's bring that out. All right, so let's see what we got. Let's play it back. Here we go. You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. And then what I'm going to do is at the end, I'm going to add another keep it locked. But I'm going to put it on my flanger track, as you can see it right here. I have all these tracks preset. Okay, so I'm going to copy, drop it down, and I want it to be keep it locked. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. All right, good. So let's go ahead and shorten this. I'm going to make this its own clip by right-clicking and selecting Convert to Unique Copy. So now this is its own clip. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. I like it. Now what I want to do is I want to double this flanger track. So I'm going to select the track, go up to multi-track, select tracks, and then duplicate selected track. Okay, let's go ahead and do it like that. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. I like it. Now what I want to do is maybe just offset this one a little bit. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. And then on this one here, I'm going to add a little special effect. It's called the pitch shift. So I'm going to double click. Well, first I'm going to right click and make it a unique clip. Convert to unique copy. Okay. And then I'm going to double click and let's play it. Keep it locked. Now what I want to do is I want to select this and I'm going to put the pitch shift. So I'm going to go to effects. Let's go to time and pitch and then see where it says pitch bender. I'm going to select that. It's going to give it like the turntable effect. Keep it locked. Ooh, I like it. I like it. All right, let's go ahead and apply that effect. Let's play it back. Keep it locked. I like it. All right, so let's play it with the DJ. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. Ooh, I like it. All right, so far we're making some progress. I'm going to go ahead and save it. All right, let's play it back.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a scratch effect. So I'm going to go to my sounds, my radio sounds. I got them all stored in my hard drive, so it's under radio sounds. So let's go ahead and go here, radio sounds, and I'm going to grab a nice scratch sound. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab that. Let's see, scratches, boom. All right, and then I'm going to grab this nice, it's called nice scratch actually. So let's go ahead and grab that and drop it in right about here. Let's see what happens.
Station, keep it locked. Keep it locked.
All right, let's slide it over.
Station, keep it locked.
All right, let's play it from the beginning.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
Ah, that's fire. I like it. All right, let me see. Let me play something back.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it.
I hear gospel hit station again, so I'm going to double it up. I just kind of hear gospel hit station, gospel hit station. So let's go ahead and drop that to a different track. Let's go ahead and drop it down here to this track where it says pitch. Let's see how it sounds. I'm going to make it its unique, convert to unique copy. Slide it over a little bit. And let's see what we get.
Station, keep it locked. Keep it.
Ooh, let's see.
Gospel hit station.
Okay, slide it over a little bit.
Gospel hit station. Keep.
It's cutting off gospel, so I got to slide it back a little bit. Let's go there.
Gospel hit station.
Okay, a little bit over to the right.
Gospel hit station.
Let me solo it so we can hear it, and then bring it up.
One gospel hits.
Okay, we just want gospel hit station.
Gospel.
I'm going to fade it out so it's not choppy.
Gospel hit station.
If you notice, I have it on my pitch track. That's why it sounds a little lower in pitch, because that's the effect I have on this track.
Gospel hit station.
Gospel hit station. Now what I want to do,
Gospel hit station.
let's play the whole thing.
Gospel hit station. Keep it
Now
locked.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little nugget for you. This make it fit. I'm going to slide this over right here and make it go faster. Okay, boom, that's the time.
Gospel hit station. Keep it locked.
Ooh, that's fire. Let's play it back.
You are tuned in to
Now
the
it fits in that
#1
gap.
gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
Ooh.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station.
I want to do something with gospel hit station. I want to do one more effect on that. So let me slide it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double my pitch track. Okay, so let's go ahead and duplicate selected track. And I'm going to take out one of these because I want to use this track for something else. I'm going to take that out. And then I'm going to slide down gospel hit station right to that track here. So I'm going to hold down Alt, select the clip and slide it. It will double it for you. Okay.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
I like how that sounds actually, but let's drop it a little bit. We're going to bring it up on gospel hit station. So right now I'm clicking on the yellow line that controls your volume. So the volume is going to be low here.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station.
On gospel hit station, I want it to come up, so I'm going to slide it over and make sure the volume turns up about right there.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it
I
locked.
like it. And let's fade it back out toward the end. We don't want to overdo it.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
I'm going to add one more effect, and let's just see how it sounds. I'm not for sure how it's going to sound, but I want to put gospel hit station like that. So I'm going to duplicate this track once again. Hold down Alt, slide it down. I'm going to slide it to my music track, which has no effects on this track at all. So let's see. I'm going to go over here.
You are tuned in.
I'm going to make this its unique. Convert to unique copy. So now it's unique.
You are tuned in to the #1 gospel.
Okay, now I'm going to go to gospel.
The #1 gospel.
And I'm going to make it real quick. Just give it a little ear candy. So let's go ahead and slide this over so we can zoom in and doctor it up.
#1 gospel.
Okay, so I'm going to hear.
Gospel.
We're going to go real quick. We want it just real quick, like about 3 of them maybe. 1, 2, 3. Let's see how it sounds.
Gospel.
That's what I want. Not too much.
Gospel hit station. Then to the #1 gospel.
Okay, so let's take this out because we don't need all that. Just overdoing it.
Then to the #1 gospel hit.
slide that.
Dan to the number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it. Dan to the number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
There it is. All right, so now let's go ahead and just add a little bit more ear candy to it. So we're going to slide up these tracks, bring it over. This is what we got so far.
You are tuned in to the number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
Real nice. Now we can leave it just like that, but what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of effects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my radio sounds. Okay. I'm going to go to my radio sounds. So let me go here. Go to radio sounds. And I'm going to get just a little bit of background touch to it. So I'm going to go to, let's see, where's my effects at here? Let me see. Here we go, Envato effects. I'm going to see where it says bed sounders. I'm going to grab one of those. No, that's not it. Let me see, where is it at? I want what's called arpeggio. Arpeggio, where is it at? Arpeggio. Let me see if I can find it real quick. All right, we got generic vocals, we got background music. Okay, let me see, where is it at? Where is it? Effects? Is it effects? Is it elements? Maybe it's elements. There it is. Okay, so I got the arpeggio, and here's the sound that I'm gonna add. Check it out. You don't really hear anything, right? Now you can. Just add that real soft in the background. So we're gonna grab that, slide it on over, and we're going to drop it in on our sound effects track. Okay, just a little bit of noise in the background, just a little bit. Slide it over so it starts at the beginning. Let's hit play.
You are tuned in to the number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
Now we don't want it to play all the way through, so now what we're going to do is when that scratch at the end, that effect at the end,
keep it locked.
When it scratches, we're going to chop this out. So then you don't hear when it exits. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and chop it off there and let's listen to it.
Number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
There we go. So it drops out, but let's like maybe a fade drop.
Number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
So it's in the background there.
You are tuned in to the number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
And one more thing, and then we're done. I'm just going to add a little effect. So I'm going to go over here to where it says effects. These are some of my effects. Let's see what I got here. I don't like that one. That's decent. Don't like those. Let's go to my other package that I got. Let's try these over here. That's the one we want. So let's go ahead and end it with that. So we're going to slide it over here. And we're going to drop it on the sound effects track. Let's see what we got.
Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
Let's go from the beginning.
You are tuned in to the number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
There it is. This beginning, I'm going to fade it just a little bit more.
You are tuned.
It's starting too quick for me. So I want the voice to start first.
You are tuned in to the number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
All right, family, that's how we make gospel DJ drops over here at Gospel DJ Drops. If you want this DJ drop or you want to order any DJ drops from us, you can hit us up over at gospeldjdrops.com. If you want this particular DJ drop, just type "Give me the drop" in the comment section and I'll send you the link for it. How's that? Is that cool? Because I made this DJ drop. You can use it for your gospel radio station. You can use it for your gospel podcast. You can use it for your mix show. Let's play it one more time.
You are tuned in to the number one gospel hit station. Keep it locked. Keep it locked.
Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless.